Good day everyone, my name is Grace Padillo and I'm here in front of you to make discussion and presentation about my lesson plan in mathematics, and the topic or title that I have is finding the common factor and the greatest common factors of two numbers, or what we call the GCF, and the grade level is grade 4 and the time allotment is 50 minutes, and the materials that I use is flashcard, chalk, visual ed, and pencil pen. And the learning competency is find common factors and the greatest common factors GCF of two numbers using the following method: listing, prime factorization, and continuous division. And the learning objectives is at the end of the lessons, students will be able to first describe the common factor and the greatest common factor of two numbers. And the second is identify which is the common factor and the greatest common factor. And the third is expound their learnings in listing, prime factorization, and continuous division. And okay, let's wait for the discussion. Good day everyone. My name is Grace Padillo once again, and I'm here in front of you to discuss about the finding the common factor and the greatest common factor, or what we call the GCF. Okay class, are you ready for our discussion for today? Are you ready? Okay class, before we will start, please all stand for a prayer. Okay, please all stand class. Okay, someone can lead us some prayer. Opening prayer. Can someone please lead a prayer? Okay, very good. Reyes, can you please lead us some prayer now? Okay, class, please bow your head and close your eyes. Okay, very good. Amen. And now, class, before you will sit down, kindly pick up a piece of paper under your chair and I count to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. Okay, class, good morning once again. And you may now sit down. And now, class, I will check your attendance. Oh, there is no absence for today. You are such a very good students. And now, class. Okay, class, who's here wants a prize? Who's here? Please raise your hands. Oh, there's a lot of you want a prize. Okay, at this point, I want you to listen carefully so that you will be able to answer my question. And if you have a right answer, I will give you a prize later. Okay, very good. Are you ready? Are you ready for our activity? Are you ready to answer? Okay, very good. And now class, I have a 3 flashcard here. And you will guess it, the number combination in flashcard that will give the product of 20. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Once again, you will give me the number. What is it? Okay, number combination that will give the product of 20. Here is the first flashcard. Here. Can someone give me the number combination in this flashcard that will give the product of 20? Someone? Can someone? Oh, Angela, what is the number combination? Oh, very good. 1 times 20. Very good. Clap your hand, class. Clap your hand for Angela. Okay, next. The next flashcard is here. Give me the number combination. Okay, very good. What is it, Jacob? I can't hear you. Please load your answer. Okay, very good. What is it? 4 times 5. Very good. Okay, class. Clap your hands to Jerome. And next is the last flashcard. Here. Give me the number combination. What is it? Reyes, what is it? 2 times 10. Very good. Clap your hands. Okay, class. I have a activity here. Wait a minute. Here. Find the greatest common factor of 12 and 16. List down the factor of 12 and 16. And next is compare the two factors of 12 and 16 and encircle both numbers as having the same common factors. And then multiply all the factors of both numbers to find the GCF. Okay, class? Do you understand the activity? Okay, class. And now, class, do you have any question? No question? Oh, if there is no question, I have question for you. Okay, class, my question is, how do you find the prime factor of a number? How do you find, once again, do you have any idea, class? No? You don't have any idea? Okay, class, I will answer it. We can find the prime factor of a number is, we can find the prime factor of a number through listing prime, factorization, and continued division of primes. Okay, class, do you understand how do we find the prime factor of a number? What is again? Oh, yes, very good. We can find the prime factor of a number through listing prime, factorization, and continuous division of the primes. And now, class, next is, what is common factor for you, huh? What is a common factor? Okay, class, the common factor, wait, a common factor is a number that can be divided into different numbers without leaving a remainder. Often, numbers can share more than one common factor. It is possible to find the common factors of more than two numbers. And how can we find the greatest common factor, class? We can find the greatest common factor, or what we call the GCF, of a set of numbers is the largest factor that all the numbers share. Okay, for example, here, the factor of 12 and 30 is, the factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. And how can we find the factors? We can find the factors if we divide each number into different multiples. Like this, class. 1 times 12 equals 12. And 2 times 6 equals 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. And the 30 is 1 times 30 is 30. 2 times 15 equals 30. 3 times 10 equals 30. 5 times 6 equals 30. Okay, class. The greatest common factor is the largest number that both numbers divided into evenly. No other numbers is higher than 6 in these sets can be divided from both 12 and 30. Then, the common factors are those that are found in both lists. Notice, class, that 1, 2, 3, and 6 appear in both lists. So, the common factor of 12 and 30 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. It is called a common factor when it is a factor of two numbers or more numbers, class. And the greatest common factors of 12 and 30 is 6. There are three ways of getting the GCF of pair or a set of numbers. First is listing method. Second is prime factorization method. And third is continuous division. And now, class, I have a activity. And someone can answer it in front. Okay, someone can answer it in front. Okay, class. Give me the common factor and the greatest common factor of 18 and 24. Can someone please solve in the blackboard? Okay? Can someone please answer it? Okay. Okay, very good. Angela and Christine. Okay, very good. And after that, Angela and Christine will answer the common factor and the greatest common factor of 18 and 24. We will go on to the next activity, the evaluation. And next is find the greatest common factor of the following pairs of a number using other methods and its prime factorization. In my discussion is there are three ways of getting the GCF. Do you remember the three ways of getting the GCF, class? Do you remember? Someone can remember the three ways? Oh, very good. Okay, very good. The three ways of getting the GCF is first, listing method. Second, prime factorization method. And third is continuous division. And the three ways of getting the GCF of a pair or a set of numbers, you will use it in this activity. You will use other methods. Okay, very good. I will give you 15 minutes for this to answer. Okay, very good. You will answer it in one whole sheet of paper, class. Okay, very good. After 15 minutes, you will pass it in front and I will check it later. And now, class, before you will go to your another class, I have assignment and you will pass it tomorrow. Okay, very good. You will pass it tomorrow, huh? Okay, the assignment is write your answer in one whole sheet of paper and bring this tomorrow. And the question is, find the greatest common factor of the following numbers, 12, 36, and 54. List all the factors of each number and circle the greatest factor that is in the list so that you will find the GCF. Okay, once again, one whole sheet of paper, you will pass it tomorrow. Okay, very good. Do you have any idea, class? Or do you have any question about our topic for today? Do you understand? Did you understand, class? Did you understand the topic that I have discussed to you in this morning? Okay. None? Okay, very good. Okay, class. Don't forget your assignment, ha? And pass it tomorrow. And please all stand for our closing prayer. And Josephine, can you please lead a closing prayer? Okay, please close your eyes, class. Okay, Josephine, please start. Okay, amen. Okay, now class, thank you for your listening. Okay, see you tomorrow and goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.